Okay, I've closed the door and moved the camera up to eye level. So this is what you see when you shut my bedroom door. Sometimes I have another coat just here and my dressing gown, but currently my dressing gown is in the bathroom and my coat is downstairs. To the right of that we have my wardrobes. So my wardrobes are IKEA Pax wardrobes. They are two 75cm ones and I went for the glossy white and the mirrors in between. On the top I have 4 of these like IKEA boxes. So I have jumpers, jeans and shorts, and then this is a box from Wilko's which keeps all of like my new stuff that I want to show you. Clothing or just random stuff I'm showing in a haul. It all goes in there and it keeps everything off of my floor, which is really great. First wardrobe. I'm not going to go into too much depth with the wardrobes because I am going to be doing like a proper wardrobe tour, but this is more of my summer clothes and then I have a ton of Depop stuff down the side. This isn't really wardrobe stuff, so I've got DVDs here. As you can see, I've got the Vampire Diaries box set. I've also got my DVD player and then it's all kind of ordered by the kind of films. I've then got Christmas stuff which then moves on to Disney, so we've got Frozen, High School Musical, and then because it's High School Musical, that's Zac Efron, so we've then got Zac Efron films, High School Musical, Hairspray, The Greatest Showman, and Baywatch. Oh my god, that's so sad. And then I've just got like other musical stuff. I've got some books at the back and just random stuff. At the very back I've got folders with sheet music in, and the back section there is full of camera equipment. Here I've got my spare skin tablets. These are my theatre books. These are the 2 books of plays that I'm reading, and then I've got my pencil case. And then the drawers are just full of underwear, socks, bikinis and work clothes, which I haven't had to wear for a while. So this is more of my winter clothes, sweatshirts and knitted stuff. I've got my dance bag, work bag, sunglasses, spare hangers, and then all of my shoes are on little slide out drawers. I've actually just had a big clear out, so I've got some space. And then heels and a pair of boots. Hey, here is my lovely dressing table. This is kind of a crowded corner and usually these drawers would be in my wardrobe where all of my like Depop stuff is, but there's no space, so it's just out here at the moment. So my desk is from IKEA. Again, I'm not going to go into too much detail. This will be in like a makeup collection. And the chair is from Wayfair. Under that, I just keep my bin, which you can't see. I have these really gorgeous shelves, which I love. This plant is from IKEA. I've got deodorant, perfumes, and makeup brushes and stuff. So this set of containers is from Amazon and this keeps like a ton of nail stuff. So I've got all of my gel nail polishes, the actual stuff, glitters, hairspray, nail polish removers, hair clips, tissues, and then the bottom shelf is a ton of like spare makeup that I haven't needed to use yet and spare eyeshadow palettes. Hey, here's me in my mirror. This is just an IKEA mirror. I do want a bigger one because I find it's quite small, but once that goes, maybe I'll invest in a slightly bigger one. Have this gorgeous basket from Dunelm, which I literally love. I'll link to it down below if it's still available. And yeah, I just keep all of my spare blankets in here. I did a clear out so that all of them in there match. I've got a couple pink, cream, and I think I have another one at the back that you can't see. Next to that is my recycling bin, which is great and very useful when you get a lot of deliveries. At the moment, I wouldn't really say my curtains match the room. I mean, they do match because of the grey, but crushed velvet really isn't my vibe at the moment, but I couldn't be bothered to buy new curtains, so the curtains have stayed. I feel like windowsills often aren't made a feature, so I've got some candles here. Also, love the pink that's on my windowsill. This is from Blue Tack, so pre-warning, don't put Blue Tack on like glossy surfaces if there's going to be heat like from the sun. It's done that, and it's done that with Christmas decorations as well, which is great. I've just have my laptop, and then I have this little orchid which the actual flowers died, but I'm hoping they're going to regrow, so I've just got it there, and hopefully. So here is my bedside table. It's got a shelf on the bottom, which on the bottom I actually have this really pretty painting that my nan did of some bluebells. She did it for me when I was really little. It says, "To darling Evie, love from Nana." I then have this daughter sign that I got a couple birthdays ago, and this little heart bowl with also a heart-shaped crystal. I can't remember what crystal it is. Then on the top, I've got a photo of my mum, my sister and I in Thailand when we did our boat trip. I've also got this little antique clock that my nan I got from my nan. So yeah, this really gorgeous clock. So here are actually some glasses from xoxo's, which are my blue light glasses. I've kept them here because that's where I'm going to use them the most. I've got my planner, which I will also leave a link to down below because it is so good if you're trying to stay organised. I have the Dance Student Life and my iPad. Also got some tissues and a candle. Then in the actual drawer, it doesn't open very wide, which is so annoying, but I've got my tablets that I'm taking at the moment, lip balm, actual glasses, which I haven't worn in a while. They are the ones that I got from Specsavers. Spare keys for stuff, masks, and at the back I also have an eye mask, but I don't really use it, to be honest. So over here I have got this photo frame with a painting in that my nana also did. Ignore the fact that it's fallen inside the photo frame, there's a gap at the top. I need to sellotape it, but yeah, my nan made that. And when I saw it when she was moving house, I just thought it's the perfect colours for my bedroom. I then also have this dream catcher, which I actually made. And again, really love it. Really love the kind of boho vibe that it has. Okay, then we have my actual bed. This is kind of like the whole reason I redid my bedroom. Such a long story behind it. Yeah, I ended up getting it because my nan moved house. And oh my god, I just love it. I'm so glad to have a double bed. I also love how I've managed to bring in that kind of wood into my bedroom just to make it a little bit more boho. I know it's not really boho, but especially with the bamboo desk, I think it goes really nicely. And yeah, I love that I didn't use too much grey. I know I've got grey above my bed, but the fact that I kind of kept to my pink love, yeah, really love it. And obviously I will leave links down below to everything that I can. Sammy loves it. He loves having all of this space, and we both fit on there really well together. Although I do have a cat bed for him. Literally, you can just see it down there. He loves it. really love it. It's just a standard double. It's not a small double, it's just a standard double. Above my bed, I have my little teddy, Blue, which I've had literally since I was a baby. He just sits on my bed, sometimes like on the windowsill. He falls off of it, so yeah. Then we have right above my bed my photo grid. Some of you guys may remember it when it looked like this.
I get so many questions about this. My dad made it. I'm so sorry to any of you who want one. You can buy them online, but they are so expensive, so we just made one for literally a third of the price.
But I painted it. I didn't do a very good job, honestly, but oh well. And I printed off a ton of black and white photos. I was going to get them in colour, but I just thought it was going to look too busy because I've got the patterned cushions below, and I just thought it was going to look too much. So I'm really glad I did it in black and white. And yeah, really love the photos, and I did a variety of sizes as well. So my photos were from either La La Lab or Free Prints. That's where I got most of them from. Also, under my bed, you can't really see, but I have lots of boxes. I've got a couple of these giant boxes from IKEA, and in there I've got one box with all my camera equipment and light stuff. I've got this one which has spare bags, hats and scarves. I've got one with a ton of random stuff like shot glasses. And I've got another one full of a ton of like craft stuff, all of my coloured pens and pencils and glue and all of that jazz. So next to my bed we have these tall set of drawers. I also have 2 pairs of slippers down there. But this tall set of drawers again is IKEA. I really struggled to find this. It was sold out everywhere. But I really love them. I got these off of Facebook Marketplace in the end for £55, so really good price. But yeah, really love these drawers, and the top does actually open up with a mirror, but it's just a bit inconvenient. So I've just got like random stuff in there that I don't really need to touch that often, because then I have to take everything off. So yeah, let's start with what's on top. Okay, so on top of here, you can't actually see. Let me try and like tilt it. I've got my little 18 tatty teddy that I got for my 18th birthday. just on the top there. I've got this set of drawers which I got from my nan when she was moving house, and basically in here I keep spare camera batteries. Here I keep all of my USB to USB-C adapters. I've got, what have I got in here? More adapters. And then this one is my like camera buttons for when I'm taking photos. This I got a few years ago. I think it was actually from my nan as well for my birthday present, but I just really like the kind of boho vibe with the dream catcher. I got this candle, which I want to say I got for Christmas. And then I also have this plant, which I got from IKEA. Same with the plant pots. It's the same that I have on my windowsill and on my shelves, just my shelves are white. And then this is a new lighter that I got. The dogs don't like it because it's really high pitched, but it's one of those like rechargeable ones. I'm not going to go into too much detail with these again. It'll be part of my wardrobe tour, but the top one I can show you. This is where I keep all of my jewellery. So I got these little jewellery dividers from Amazon. As you can see, they don't fit perfectly in here, but for what I need, actually, they work really, really well. I tried putting them in that way, but it's literally just a tiny bit too big. They just look really, really nice. So the stuff at the back are things that I don't really wear that often. Here I've got all of like my earrings and rings. I've got more of like my everyday earrings down here, my rings, and then the ones that I wear less often. I've got my Tiffany necklace that I keep in the Tiffany bag. This is a hair clip I got with one of my costumes, and I just keep it. More earrings and bracelets and necklaces and stuff, and then I have my cleaning cloths and then my Tiffany cleaning cloth, which really annoys me it doesn't fit there, but hey. And then in the rest of the drawers, we've got dance tights, leotards, sports bras and leggings, and then pyjamas in the bottom too. Then we have my wall of fairy lights, which again, I'm not sure the exact ones I have, but I will leave a link below to some like curtain fairy lights because I think they are just beautiful. That is my room tour. I honestly am so in love with my bedroom. So glad that it is just finally done, and I just feel so much more settled. When it was so up in the air, I just felt really like, I don't know, I felt on edge, which is such a strange thing. But from being told back like before March that I could be getting this in April, to starting to buy stuff before the first lockdown, to finally getting it end of November and getting it ready around Christmas time, to it finally being finished in the new year. I'm just so glad, so proud of getting it finished and furnishing it and buying everything apart from the bed. But yeah, I'm just so glad it is done, really pleased with it and so happy. So yeah, next week will be my makeup collection, so make sure you tune in on Friday at 5 PM for that. And then the week after that should be my wardrobe tour, and then all of the bedroom themed stuff will be done, and that whole little mini series of bedroom stuff will be over, which is really sad. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys on Monday with a new video. Bye!